Hey y'all, I told y'all I know people who know people. Man, look at this orange here, man. Man, where are we at today, Fred?
Eastbay Collision.
Eastbay Collisions. And, you know, I had the honor of meeting this young man, did some work on his motorcycles, and I said, let me show up and see how he living over here. And boy, he does some beautiful work over here. I'm looking, as you look in the background, he got all the tools to make it happen, from the plasma cutter. What can you make with this, Fred?
Damn near anything, really. Whatever you can design on the computer, it'll cut it out for you.
It'll cut it out for you. I see you got your shield, your company name up in there right there.
That's just for the catalytic converters, to protect the catalytic converters.
Oh, so people are stealing catalytic converters?
And these are protected. It's just a shield that we just designed to make. So we cut it out, we designed it on the computer. And then we put it up on our brake to design the shape to go with the frame of the vehicle.
What kind of cars are getting the catalytic converter stole the most of?
Honda Accord from like 2003 to 2007. The Prius is the #1. You get in the Honda Ridgelines, just so the Toyotas and Hondas pretty much.
Okay. I got a question for you. As we walked in, I looked up in the sky, and man, I see some engineering going on up here. What kind of frame? Well, what is this? It's a Camaro, right?
Camaro.
69 Camaro, huh?
It's going to be a Pro Touring with the street rod frame, full C7 suspension, independent suspension in the rear. Handles up to 2,000 horsepower.
Wow.
So look at the rear end on that, the differential. You can see the thing is.
So you guys.
Heavy duty.
Wait. Normally Camaros do not have a full frame, correct?
Correct. They have links.
Links in the front, and the rest of it's like a unibody scenario in the back. So in order to get a full frame onto here, you have to do what?
You have to cut out the whole floor technically from front to back.
Wow.
And refabricate a whole new floor for the
so rebuild the frame?
Correct.
Oh, wow, man.
Make your own frame rails like we have here. We made frame rails with a brake.
With all the fancy equipment you got over there. Yeah, correct. I see that.
Yeah, we had to make the frame so that it holds the floor so that it's not flimsy.
Oh, okay.
And then pretty much you build up.
You build up from there.
From there.
Because I see you got one over there, so I think we're looking at a twin scenario, correct?
Correct. We both got them fitted with the 2018 Z06 with the LT4s, 8-speed transmission. We got the dry sump.
This is a go-getter, looks like.
We had to do the full underdrive pulley set on this from, I forgot the name of the company, but they make the full.
Wow.
Underneath of this.
Okay, so this is
we had
how.
to modify the frame. We had to put tubes in here for the exhaust so that the exhaust doesn't hang low. So the exhaust goes through the frame. But as you can see from underneath, we had to do full body work.
That looks factory, man. That's a beautiful job.
That's the look we were going for. We wanted that factory look with the texture and the paint and the clear. So.
And you mini tubbed it, huh? That's a lot of meat back there, man.
345 in the back. A 345. What is it? 30, 19.
So these are
these are 345 30/20s. These aren't the wheels. These are just dummy wheels. The wheels we're going with are 3-piece Forgiato wheels. That's going to go on the car, but these are the tires that we're using for it. So that's why we needed to mark it up.
Hey, question, can I see it down low? We can see how the inside turned out? Because I see how the tub work was cut out in the other one, but I want to see, or we would like to see, how the floor turned out. Man, full roll cage or a partial?
Partial rear roll cage. Just so the car doesn't flex or anything like that.
Oh, okay.
You can see the whole floor.
Yeah.
We put a whole new tunnel on it on top of the transmission, enough to clear the 8-speed.
Yeah.
We got a 4-shifter in here, but we're not using the shifter on the steering. It's a 4-shifter that goes in here.
Okay. Man, so you guys reached out and touched it all the way around.
Yeah, we went all the way on.
All the way. Yeah, from what I've seen on the other doors over there, you got some custom door handles going in.
The quarter panel, these are all made out of metal. These are not no fiberglass or mono. Those are straight metal. We fabricated those out of metal.
In-house.
In-house. We extended this so that when the bumper sits, it's flush with the rear panel.
Okay. You know, I've seen some of this kind of work on TV shows, but we right here in the Eastbay making it happen, huh?
Glass is going to be a flush fit glass with no moldies at all. So we made it so that it just fits, no gap. You can see the firewall has been completely redone. Here's a ARE custom dry sump.
What is the function of a dry sump?
Function of the dry sump is when you're going around corners and stuff, you're not producing enough oil in your oil pump. Your engine oil pan, the dry sump, what it does is it's constantly forcing pressure, oil pressure into the motor so that you're not lacking oil.
Oh, so you basically, in layman's terms, if this wasn't here and you're bending corners, your oil would be sloshing all to one side and you could possibly damage the engine.
Correct.
Because you don't have the oil where it needs to be.
This is where all our vintage air condition, everything is going to go on from the inside. It's going to all be routed outside. We got full one-of-a-kind Recaro electric seats for this. Interior is going to be fully done by Junior Parks area.
Okay.
So he's going to do the full interior panel, door panels, quarter panels. But you can take a good look at the interior. I mean, it's fully sturdy. It's going to have a lot of sound deadening pads in it. So battery goes in here. There's going to be a glove box there with a 10-inch woofer. It's going to have kick panels. The headliner is going to be Alcantara. So
Beautiful.
Everyone just needs to stay tuned for this one.
Okay.
It should be done within the next few months. It should be completely done.
I will say, guys, coming to a show near you, or maybe a street. You never know. Some real nice show stuff. Well, I'm just letting you guys see what I see over at, where are we at again?
Eastbay Colision.
Eastbay Colision. Do you do regular car work for other people too?
We don't really do these type of work just because this was a no budget build.
Oh, okay. So it was unlimited, as we like to say.
Unlimited pretty much on this one. So we were fortunate enough to have a customer to let us do what we wanted to do. We wanted the biggest, the baddest. So pretty much we did that for him.
Okay.
So we're going to be stuck with this for the next, probably God knows, year with the next one. So we're pretty firm on taking any more cars like that.
Okay.
Collisions, you guys can bring those on in.
Collisions is okay,
Collisions it is.
So, and we have the full, as you see, the full paint booth.
It's a full spray booth. We bake each one of our paint jobs. We bake it at 150 degrees for about 45 minutes so that you can get the longevity of the clear and the glossiness.
Oh, okay.
And when you pick at clears, when you pick at the paint, it'll be rock hard.
I see you got a bunch of motorcycles in the background. You a motorcycle guy too?
We do motorcycles as well. We do full paint, full build from ground up. Any color you want.
So is this a personal thing that you this is your
something I do on the side myself.
Okay, I see. You got some nice pieces over here. You got. This is one of the M8.
2019 Road Glide M8. That's a 2018 M8 that's getting fully done. That's still in progress. We're still waiting on the 23 on that one. We're doing taking off the 21, doing the 23 on this one. This one's got a 23 sitting in the storage room. This one's going to get fully built. This one's our loaner bike that we give to customers when they drop off their bikes for collision claims.
Because sometimes you don't have a way to get home. You might need to have to ride something.
We got this one that we're building right here with the 23 with the chameleon paint.
Okay. And this is all your work in-house, paint?
Correct. Everything's in-house. We don't do graphics. We just do solid colors. Keep it simple. Our paint jobs usually are about 24 or 48 hour turnaround time, depending on the bodywork.
Like that?
Bodywork, yeah.
Oh, shit. So no downtime. Because I've heard horror stories of people dropping their bikes off at paint shops in...
More than 72 hours, you wouldn't even have to pay me for the paint.
Wow. It's one color paint jobs. We're not talking about designs.
Depending on the bodywork. Bodywork, we'd have to see if there's any bodywork. Because I've been seeing a lot of people bringing me their bikes with Bondo all over their bags and stuff. And we don't even take stuff like that. I would have to just decline it if I saw that. So.
All right, I feel you. So once again, you guys, I tell you, I know people who know people, and as you can see by the background, we got a little bit of everything.
This one was a full resto right here too, as a matter of fact.
Oh.
We did the new S63 paint job. We did interior, exterior.
Oh, I see the shine in there, man. I see the pearl going up.
And you don't even feel the seam.
Let me see.
There's no seam in there from masking tape.
You're right. And that was done in your new booth?
That was done in our booth, and everything was done in the shop. Full body work, full fixed the rust and everything.
We were talking earlier about you guys offer a service for coating of cars, a clear with the vinyl wrap or not?
Paint protection film.
Paint protection film.
And we're starting to do it on Harleys, just because a lot of these Harleys I've been seeing have a lot of rock chips.
Mainly my bike has.
Your bike has the most, as a matter of fact, but we're trying to prevent that. So when you do the paint protection film, Harley's offering that now too. They sell a do-it-yourself kit. And they say do it yourself, but it's really not that easy, because if you mess it up one time, and that's it.
You got to throw that kit away, buy another kit.
Exactly.
So you're offering this protection. I seen in your other warehouse that you have full car protection and stuff like that. And you were saying it prevents swirls because you said because my question was, does it leave a dull coat or does it leave shiny?
It has a 10-year warranty for being glossy in all 10 years.
Wow.
So if you get a minor scratch on it or any scuff marks, you pour some hot water, put some heat to it, and it disappears. It's self-healing. Now, if it goes through the film, that's a whole different story. That does not cover that. That means somebody had to take a razor blade or something.
You had some domestic shift going on.
But if somebody just takes something and they could take a wire brush, scratch your whole bike with a wire brush, put some water on it, and your bike is brand new again.
Wow. Okay, that's a good thing to know.
Now, it's not cheap, but I mean, it's cheaper than a paint job.
True that. I agree with you on that. Okay, y'all. Well, like I said, we're talking to my man Fred and letting you see what he sees. And hey, is there a number where anybody can get with you at, or are you just gonna?
You can follow me on Instagram, Eastbay Colision, or you can try our phone number 510-469-0000.
There you go. We out here, Money's Car Stereo. We on the move, walking and talking. Gotta go.